Welcome back to my channel. I made this video kasi I realized na baka nagtatanong kayo kung saan kayo kukuha ng Litecoin wallet address. Kaya naman, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-sign up sa FaucetPay.io para makakuha tayo ng Litecoin wallet at mai-register natin sa free Litecoin app para mabayaran tayo for playing. Guys, yung gagamitin ko lang ngayon ay yung FaucetPay. Pero pwede kayong mag-create ng account sa iba pang mga exchanges gaya ng Coinbase at Binance. Okay? Ipapakita ko din dito kung bakit ko pinili itong FaucetPay. So, stay tuned. All we have to do is to open a browser. Bubuksan ko yung Chrome. Any browsers will do, ha? Then search natin FaucetPay. FaucetPay.io. Yan. Automatic na siya nag-appear. Wait lang natin yan. Okay. Ngayon, it's asking us to sign up or sign in. Well, obviously, ang pipiliin natin ay sign up. Ngayon, na-redirect tayo where it's asking us to create our username, email address, and password. I-fill out lang natin lahat yan. And then, tick it yung mas malaking box sa CAPTCHA to prove that you're not a robot. Okay, and click sign up. Once we have created our account, let's log in. And then, guys, please check your email kasi this faucet is really strict. Meron sila two-factor authentication. Check your email kasi nag-send sila ng code for you to sign in, for you to log in. Okay, then enter lang natin yung code dito. Log in. Ayan, na-redirect tayo sa dashboard ng FaucetPay.io. Ito na yung account natin. Andito na lahat ng mga wallet natin na affiliated dito sa FaucetPay.io. So, lahat yan pwede nyong gamitin. Ang concern natin ngayon is yung Litecoin. Where will we get yung Litecoin wallet address para mabayaran tayo sa free Litecoin app? Pumunta lang tayo dito sa menu. Piliin natin itong deposit. Hanapin natin yung Litecoin. There you go. Okay, so ito na yung magiging wallet address natin. Ito yung i-register natin sa free Litecoin app. Now, let's register yung Litecoin address natin sa free Litecoin app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, nilagay ko yung link sa description box below to check it out. Ganito yung itsura niya pag open natin ng app kung hindi pa kayo nakaregister. I-click nyo lang yung agree, tapos enter your email address. Then, submit. Now, it's asking us to register our Litecoin wallet address to get paid. Dito natin ipipaste yung kinopya nating wallet address from FaucetPay. If you were able to paste it, just submit. Then you will be redirected to your account na. You're good to go na. Pwede ka nang maglaro dyan and you don't have to enter your wallet again. Kasi automatic na yun. All your earnings will be paid out every Tuesday. Okay, so if you happen to skip that part naman to paste your wallet address kasi nga wala pa kayong wallet address nun, here's how you enter your Litecoin wallet address. Click on Control Panel. Kung nakikita nyo dito yung naka-red na box, sabi niya, you have not registered a wallet address, you will not be able to receive your payouts before registering. Okay, so try natin i-click ito. Please confirm your email address. Okay. Alright, there you go. You just have to paste your wallet here. Dito nyo ipipaste yung registered or yung wallet address na kinopy nyo sa may FaucetPay.io. And then click on submit. Okay, so that's how we set up our Litecoin wallet address sa free Litecoin app. So yan, ganyan lang kasimple. Just keep on playing and all of your earnings will surely be paid out. And here's the reason why I chose to use FaucetPay. Madami kasi silang tasks na ginagamit ko para maka-earn dito sa website nila. Pindutin natin yung 3 bars sa upper left para makita nyo yung mga ginagamit ko dito. Let's click on Earn. Here, meron dito Faucet List, Offer Wall, Paid to Click. Lahat yan pwede nyong gamitin para malagyan ng laman lahat ng wallet nyo sa website na to. Pindutin natin yung Faucet List. Obviously, nakikita natin lahat ng currencies dito sa site na to. You can click on them to earn. For example, gusto natin mag-earn ng Bitcoin. Since naka-default na yung Bitcoin sa mga tabs na to, scroll lang natin. Ayan. Lahat ng nakikita nyo dito, pwede nyong i-click and you will be redirected to their site. All you have to do is to stay on their site for a few seconds depending on how much they are willing to pay you. Alright, so favorite ko din dito yung paid to click. So let's go back to the menu. Ayan. Piliin natin ulit yung earn. Okay. Pindutin natin yung paid to click. Ayan. Lahat ng nakikita nyo dito na naka-blue, inuubos ko lahat yan whenever I have time. Yan, madami yan. Lahat yan. Pinipindot ko lahat yan. Binivisit ko yung site. Ayan. Hanggang sa maubos. And you just have to visit the site, stay for a few seconds, and that's it. You're earning your Satoshi. Okay, so that's how I earn sa FaucetPay. Guys, if you want to set up your FaucetPay account, I already included the link on the description box below. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm so grateful to share with you these earning apps that I've been using para ma-experience nyo din. And please just be wary. Mag-ingat lang kayo sa mga sites na pinupuntahan nyo. Do not register to sites na hindi sigurado. And just do not register sa Ponzi accounts or sa Ponzi websites kasi those are scam. So yun lang. Please take care. Ingat. Bye.